Alright, here's the custom smoker. Retractable grate, stainless grill. Adjustable intake. Got to finish that up with some expanded steel for the firebox. And good old Harbor Freight tires. Need to find something that'll carry some weight. That's it. 4-inch pipe going out. Pair of 4s going in. I've got a 7.5 and a 5-gallon propane tank welded together for the firebox. And I'm not quite sure how big the smoker is gallonage wise, but in the calcs it came up to about a quarter size for the firebox, so I'm a little under on firebox for the recommended size, but hopefully she should work fine.